Today I introduce you to one of my sister's boat neck dress. There is a cup, and it's going to line up at the bottom of this skirt. For this model, I will use hard cloth materials. It's like lining or dad or vinegar. I will be able to sew my hair. And to design this dress, my sisters need to measure. Here's the number I need. That we do. Template. The first is the shoulder measurement line. Second is the neck. Third is the chest. The fourth is the waist. And fifth is the butt, and finally the thick dress. Then we're all going to have different measurements. You will measure and apply the recipe I shared the following day. This is a pattern that I can easily draw. Well, first you'll get the dress shoes. The shoes here are me. I'll take the body height. I measured the calf. After that, ladies, I have determined the length of the dress. You'll draw a straight line. Make it perpendicular. And then I'll take the shoulder piece. Shoulder is by hand. Split 2. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 32 is equal to 16. I took a root of 16. Then it's down to 4. If you take her, she divides 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then you join in. Then I'll take the lower chest. The lower chest here is the chest divided by 5. You add up to 1 year. 80 divided by 5 plus a comma is equal to 17 semicolons. I'll measure from above. I measured it down to 17 years. Make a perpendicular line. And then I'm going to take the chest. Divide by 4 and add 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a line of 22. And then you're going to take the lower chest. If I lower my chest down here, I'll get 35. And start from the top. You take it down, then we're going to have a waist reduction of 35. And the lower chest is on the head and shoulders. You take it down. The position is 17.5. This is called a chest reduction. And this part is called lowering the waist. So the next thing we do is we build a perpendicular line. Then I'll take it by the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2. I'm sorry, ladies. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal. I took over 18. Later, you'll take down the lower part of your ass. I'll measure from the waist down to the bottom of the butt. One paragraph is equal to 18. I will measure this on my body. These two 18 figures are different. Then I'll have my ass, then I'll have my ass. Divide 4 by 1. 80 divided by 4. If you add 1, you will be equal to 21. It's 21 across a road. Then you'll join this. And then we're going to draw the skirt here. Then this part of you is 5 inches. And then we build a perpendicular segment. Back into 2 petrol split in half again. I'll draw the underarm line of this shirt. And this shirt is going to be the neck of the boat. So you're going to measure from the outside of this head. I measured for petrol. And after this boat neck, I took it down. Here's 6 millimeters of gasoline. Put a ruler perpendicular to this place. Then you will paint. Draw through Ha. And here at this end, you're going to step back by 1.5 inches. Let's fix the armpit line so this shirt is sleeveless. So you're going to fix your shoulders. If you let it in, if you take it out, it will hurt your shirt. Next up, out here, you step back and there's 8. I put the ruler right down. I'm going to cut the road up here down to 4. Here also cut into for petrol. I'll draw the vertical one here. After you've drawn the vertical one, you will hit an armpit line. Here. Go to this decor street so you can reduce yourself. This part of the armpit doesn't drop 7. Reduce 0.7 Ha. So we're going to reduce this to this. Then you're leaving that. Then the A. This dress. Then we're going to have lines that line up. On this dress, we have 2 pleated lines. I'll design the body room later. Then come back for a drink. Now we're going to start drawing the body. Follow the red line. From here you'll get to petrol. I'm going to walk this shoulder out here without jumping 7. Then you reduce this one. Come out here for yourself. The side of the back is 1. These are the ones out there. This part you reduce to 1. This part here, I'm not going to jump 7. Then the back neck, you're going to go from here. I hit through. This is 2.5 inches off. And we'll get the body. Follow the red line. Now I will cut. This cut is without seams, ladies. On the fabric, you have to remove the seams. Here, we'll get the front body, the back body. Collectively like this. Here Ha and I'm going to have a lower body and you will be reduced. 1 centimeter of gasoline and this waistline. Then we're going to put it together. Then I take this piece out. Cut 1 centimeter here. Divide it in half. I can draw the side here of the back. And here I'm going to cut 3 glasses. Let the neck be held. And we'll check the zipper. You will get a part. My back here didn't flutter. I didn't flutter 3 years ago. You're going to cut this road. This will be the back. Here's the body multiplied by 2. 2 if you are A. Sewing zippers also multiply for 1. We don't need to check the zipper here. But you'll have to put the zipper on the side. Then, after I cut the body, then to the body first, we'll adjust to the blue line. And then we cut this blue line. Then we cut this blue line to drop a centimeter of gasoline for the hip. And then this part, I'm going to tear this road apart. And here you will continue to cut the road to cup. This is the piece of decor that I will put back together. And now I'm going to make the dress. I will wear this dress, ladies. So you're going to measure yourself a piece. Extra paper, so we'll sort this dress out. And for each of these glasses, you're going to get a size of 10 gasoline. Then, now, you will get a. My main body is here. If there is this bend part, we will arrange it. Then the first one is you. I'll pack myself a big stack. Here. This is my big glass. That's 10 millimeters of gasoline per glass. Each side will be 5. This distance is 5. But in pairs, then we expand the distance, it will be 10. 10, there is a cup. Then you'll put it in the second stack. This second stack, it's going to cut the first stack. It has a distance. Here you are, right? This is the double road, ladies. Double scaly lines, Asia. So here you are, you're going to push it right up here. Then we will have ranked second. Then you're going to cut this part. After you finish cutting it, that we're going to put in the location of this bend. It's going to be in the cleavage. And the shirt position, it's going to be here and there. And this part, it's going to be the residue. We can cut it off. When you fold the leftover part. This extra is fine. Let's say we put this part back together. Then we will get what? The waist and right on the body. Here you will get a dress that has pleats in the front body. And if you also want to sit in the back, if we drink like that, we do it too. In the same way that the page always sounds. And I wish you success. Thank you for watching and remember to like them.